All right, Corey, is it okay to record you for educational purposes only?
Yes.
All right, great. Okay. Hi, Corey. My name is Anita. I'm going to be your student physical therapist. I'm going to be working with you today. Okay. Do you care to tell me your first and last name and your date of birth?
Corey Dawson, 5191.
Okay. All right. So, like I said, I'm your physical therapist. I'm going to be working with you. I'm going to do a couple different things. I'm going to be checking your pulse, and I'm going to be checking your blood pressure, and then I'm going to listen to how your lungs sound. Okay. All right. So, this is where I'm going to say that I've already washed my hands. I've got good hand hygiene. I'm going to come in here. And the first thing I'm going to do, Corey, is I'm going to start by checking your pulse. So I'm going to have you just relax your arm here. And I'm going to be feeling at his radial artery there. You can just relax your hand. Okay, good job, Corey. You can relax. His pulse rate was 64. Now what I'm going to be doing, Corey, like I said, I'm going to be checking your blood pressure. First, I'm going to do what is called an obliteration. It just helps me see how high I need to blow the pump up so it doesn't hurt you too bad and go too high. Okay, pick this arm up for me, please. All right, go ahead and relax your arm. I'm just going to have you relax. Okay. So we were about 110 right there. I'm going to let all of this out. Give you a second to relax, and then I want to go ahead and just check your blood pressure in this arm, okay? Go ahead and get my stuff ready here. Corey, what I want you to do is I'm going to make sure everything is level. I'm going to come right here. Just relax your arm to your side. Make sure my camera can see. All right. I'm going to have you relax your arm just like that so that it's level with your heart. Are you comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling it up. All right, good job. It was 130 over 80. Okay, I'll give you a second to relax there. And I'll leave this around here. All right, Corey, now if you don't care, I'm going to have you just sit up on the edge of this desk for me, please. Okay, I'm going to just adjust this a little bit. Okay, and now what I'm going to do this time, kind of the same thing, checking your blood pressure again. I'm going to hold your arm like this and let you relax it. can go ahead and start here. Okay. That air out. It was 126/80 that time. Okay. We're going to do it one more time. I'm going to have you standing up for me. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and stand up for me, please. All right. We're going to do this one last time here. Turn the bowl back up. Okay, again, this time what I'm going to let you do is you can put your arm on my chest and just relax there. Is that comfortable for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start. One 18/76 in that one. Go ahead and take this off here. Alright. We'll go ahead and just have you sitting back down for my recording. And I'll take all of this stuff over here. Alright, Corey, so now what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be listening to your lungs and just hearing how your lungs sound, okay? So there's a couple different spots on your lungs that I'm going to listen to. What I'll end up having you do is I'm going to place this and I'll tell you to take a deep breath for me. I want you to breathe in and out, but make sure you breathe in and out of your mouth, okay? So the first one is going to be the anterior apical segment of his lungs. So I'm going to come here to the sternoclavicular joint and I'm going to come lateral and just superior. So I'm going to place it right here. This is going to be on his right. Go ahead and take a deep breath for me. Again. Okay. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to come out to his third rib and I'm going to come just lateral. This is going to be his anterior upper lobe. I'm going to do right and left. I'm going to try to find in between the ribs. All right, Corey, deep breath in. Okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be checking his anterior middle lobe on his right and the lingula on the left. I'm going to come to the xiphoid process. Try to sit straight up for me here so I can feel here. Is it all right to touch you and stuff? All right, so I can feel xiphoid process. And I'm going to come just lateral and a little superior. And I'm going to listen in right in there. On the right and the left. Breathe in for me. I'm going to come same thing over here, but this is going to be the lingula on this side. Breathe in. All right, good job. And now again, the xiphoid process. Now I'm just going to come further lateral and I'm going to be listening to the anterior basal of his lower lobe. From here, and I'm going to come right in here. Breathe in for me. All right. Thank you, Corey. Now what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you turn and sit facing the other way for me so that the camera can see and I can get the back side of you. Alright, so pretty similar. There's some similar spots here. I'm going to be doing the posterior apical on his back. It's going to be the first one. I'm going to be doing both the right side and the left side. So I can come to the T1, his T1, and I'm going to go just lateral. Alright, so. Alright, through your mouth, breathe in. Same thing, breathe in. All right. Okay. Now, we're going to be listening to the upper lobe for this next one. So again, I'm going to come down to about T3 and I'm going to go just lateral. And I'm going to be doing both the right side and the left side. Actually, my camera is still good. In a good position. Yeah, okay. Down, just going to breathe in for me. Breathe in. Alright. Thank you. And now I'm going to drop down to about, about T3, but I can come in between T3 and T7, and I'm going to get the superior lobe of the superior segment of the lower lobe. Again, I'm going to be doing it both on the right side and the left side. So again, I was there. I can come in between and go just lateral. Breathe in for me, please. Alright. One more time for me. Okay, so for some reason my video cut off, so I'm going to pick up and finish. We're going to be doing the posterior basal on his right and his left side. Landmark for this is T7 to about T10. You can and you can go in between there. You can actually also use the inferior angle of the scapula and go across there. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I can come in and feel on my patient and see where his is. And I can just come in line from that. So, all right, Corey, breathe in for me. Okay. And the last one that we're going to be doing is the lateral basal on the right and lateral basal on the left. Same landmarks, I'm going to come lateral and just come more onto the side. So I'm going to come over here, breathe in.